Introducing two new ways to light it up: Sparker Flip and Sparker Wick. Sparker Flip is the rechargeable solution for disposable lighters. Its slim teardrop design fits easily into your pocket or bag. With a simple button push, the powerful electric arcs are revealed and pack a punch. Sparker Flip's secondary bottom button makes lighting up those hard-to-reach places comfortable and easy. Sparker Wick lets you reach even further. Designed with an extendable 6-inch neck, tilted head, and cross-pattern spark, the wick easily takes on candles, barbecues, and more. USB rechargeable and windproof, both sparkers give you the flexibility to reach further and light more. Join us as we ditch the disposable lighter and start sparking.
As designers ourselves, we understand the struggles of a traditional keyboard. That's why we set out to find a solution. After much brainstorming and product design, we finally came up with this, the Deluxe Designer. A specialized keyboard with mechanical switches, crafted out of aluminum with a premium finish. The Deluxe Designer is customizable keyboard, makes designing a breeze. It's the perfect tool to assist any designer.
This product is truly amazing. With it, I can set up my own shortcuts to whatever I want. So when I have multiple projects going on at the same time and I need to do different tasks for all the different projects, I can set up command sequences and with a single push of a button, it does it for me, saving me so much more time now. So especially when I'm doing repetitive work, the Deluxe Designer is a lifesaver.
The Deluxe Designer comes with a multifunction dial. It is compatible with 9 major design softwares, and this dial makes design easy. Seamlessly zoom in and out, choose between colors, switch pages, and focus in and on different elements with the Deluxe Designer.
What the dial can do is remarkable. I can do so much without to have to lift my hand out of the keyboard. I can use it to scroll up, down, zoom in, zoom out, switch between layers, change colors, almost anything. It has really made the design process a lot easier.
The Deluxe Designer is also compatible with Wacom, making it extremely convenient when drawing. Seamlessly change paintbrush sizes or switch from pen to eraser. Designing has never been easy. We know designers everywhere are in need of a single tool that can streamline work and boost work efficiency. We love the Deluxe Designer and we know you will too. Help us bring this project to life.
After the award-winning FLECTR Zero campaign, we're back with the ultimate wheel reflector, FLECTR 360. No air drag, no weight, no dynamic imbalance. Unlike standard reflectors, FLECTR 360 leaves your wheel's performance completely unaffected. Its aerodynamic efficiency is unmatched in comparison to any other reflector on the market. FLECTR 360's design features a unique 3D formable film which perfectly fits the shape of almost every rim on the market and gives your bike an extraordinary and stylish look. Due to its sealed surface, FLECTR is nearly indestructible and dirt repellent. FLECTR 360 is the first bike reflector with 360-degree visibility. From wherever a car headlight may hit you, FLECTR 360 will grab the driver's attention. FLECTR helps you master every dangerous situation in the dark, reflecting the light back to its source, making you visible with a stunning glow. All around. No compromise.
What is this? Tell us, goddammit!
Is it dangerous?
It's a chair. Is this supposed to be a chair? Do I look stupid?
It's too light to be a chair.
This is a chair. We've found your secrets.
You mean my bag?
You're not being straight with us. Look at all these mechanical parts. They do not belong in a chair. Kevlar strap. Ballistic nylon seat.
The core is made of carbon fiber.
But why? These are special forces materials.
To make the slimmest and lightest portable seat in the world, we had to push the materials and the technology to the limit. Everything down to the smallest screw is made to measure.
Is this anodized aluminum?
Great eyes! And it's corrosion free as well. As strong as it gets.
What's next? You're gonna tell me that little thing can hold a grown man?
300 pounds, not a problem. Just try to unfold it.
Actually really comfortable.
It's designed to strengthen your core and to avoid back problems. You can adjust the height so it matches your specific needs.
So you're telling me these aren't foreign spies using the cylinder to communicate?
Of course not. The sit pack is simply perfect for multiple everyday normal occasions. Hanging around, golfing, hunting. It just makes life so much easier and more convenient.
It really is something special. I mean, such craftsmanship. Only premium materials.
How can we get it?
You can be the first one to get the Zen if you support our Kickstarter campaign. Every dollar counts.
You have so many different chargers for your phones, iPhone and Android, tablet, and more Type-C devices coming up. But you can't throw away all of your old micro USB devices. How many types of cables do you need for all of your devices? Murphy's Law reminded us that you probably wouldn't have the right cable in time of emergency. The power source is there, but you just didn't bring your cable. Introducing Kablecard. Kablecard is a revolutionary design that integrates all the essential and most frequently used cables connectors. What's more, Kablecard is even designed with a wireless charger. We designed Kablecard to be as small and light as a credit card. Everyone has to dig around their bag looking for the right cables among other cables and objects lying around in the depth of the bag. But not you. Kablecard includes a SIM ejector pin and 2 nano SIM card storages. Looks simple, yet makes a big difference when traveling overseas. Need to send files, but no internet and no thumb drive for Type-C? No worries. Kablecard has an inbuilt memory reader that supports both standard USB and Type-C. It takes 1 second to set up Kablecard as a cradle. What makes it even more awesome is that you can watch movies on your phone hands-free while charging it at the same time. AOA reported that one major cause of vision deterioration is staring at phone screen in poor lighting, creating effective ambient lighting to protect your eyes. This is Kablecard, the all-in-one cable solution you have been looking for.